Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You are seeing Bahunia flower design on the pallu. My details are in this video and below this video in description. Those interested can contact me. I take order works and teach online professional courses. I have different courses: freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, orchid flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces, and many more. I have basic and advanced courses starting from 1000 onwards. I have taken golden yellow for Bahunia flower. First applied golden yellow, then on that I have applied metallic gold color. Then for leaves I have taken sap green and yellow. I have used 6 and 8 number round brush, and for the lines of the flower I have taken burnt umber. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques of 65 pages in black and white. It has anatomy of flowers and written notes on the techniques how to paint. You can paint this design for saree pallus and on sarees, dresses, tops, then on chunnis, and it looks very beautiful, and this is a very beautiful flower. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Keep watching for more. And you can see my live videos for my freehand fabric painting. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.